Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solutions for the first question in an exercise 1.4. Find the union of each of the following pair of sets. So let's take up the first subdivision. So in the left, x is given to be 1, 3 and 5. So right set is y. So it is x union y, which is going to be a collection of all elements of both x and y without duplicates. So when I write 1, it is there in both x and y, so that's accounted. Then there is a 2 in y, so I'm noting that. Then there is a 3 in x, that's noted. Then there is a 5 that is there. So the number of elements in x union y is going to be 1, 2, 3 in 5. So 1 and 3 are duplicates, so we will write it only once. Now let's take up the second subdivision. So in second subdivision, it is set A union B. So now let's list all the elements from both A and B. So this is going to be A. Now this is going to be B is there in the second set. So B, C. Then I'm going to list all the elements left in A, which is E, I, O and U. So this is the union element of set A and B. List all elements from both sets without any duplicates. Now let's take up the third subdivision. So in the third subdivision, it has two sets A and B. So it is going to be again A union B. But before we do that, let's list all the elements of x here. So x is a natural number and a multiple of 3. So if you see the A element, it is 3, 6, it goes on up till infinity. This is the elements in A. If you see B, it is going to be x is a natural number less than 3. So in this case, is less than 6. So natural numbers, so 1, 2, 3, then there is going to be 4, 5, but I won't list the 6, so I'm going to stop right here. So A union B is going to be equal to all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, after which, remember A is an infinite set, so I'm going to do a skip count of 9, then 12 and so on, so up till infinity. So after this, it is going to be up till infinity because A is an infinite set. Now let's move on to the fourth subdivision. So in the fourth subdivision, it is set A and B. So we will write this as A union B. Now let's first identify the elements in set A. A is going to be x is a natural number where it is 1 less than x less than or equal to 6. So 1 is not part of the set. So it is 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it's less than or equal to 6. So 6 is also part of A. Now let's list B. So B is going to be 6 less than 10 less than x less than 10. So in this case 6 is not there. 7, 8 and 9. So when I write A union B, it is going to be equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now in the last case, let us write out, it is set A and B. So A union B is going to be equal to, A is having elements 1, 2 and 3. B is a null set. So all the elements in A will be part of A union B. So it is A union B is also going to be equal to 1, 2, 3. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video.